डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया है। आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क। आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माई वर्क। वह ये किताब पढ़ चुका है। ही हैज रेड दिस बुक। ही हैज रेड दिस बुक। हमने ये फिल्म देखी है। वी हैव वॉच्ड दिस मूवी। वी हैव वॉच्ड दिस मूवी। मैंने नया फ़ोन खरीदा है। आई हैव बॉट अ न्यू फ़ोन। आई हैव बॉट अ न्यू फ़ोन। क्या उसने नए कपड़े खरीदे हैं? हैज़ ही बॉट द न्यू क्लोथ्स। हैज़ ही बॉट द न्यू क्लोथ्स। वह वहाँ जा चुका है। ही हैज़ गॉन देयर। ही हैज़ गॉन देयर। हमने खाना खा लिया है। वी हैव ईटेन द फूड। वी हैव ईटेन द फूड। तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया है। You have not answered my question. You have not answered my question. मैंने अपनी रिपोर्ट भेज दी है। I have sent my report. I have sent my report. उसने अपनी गलती स्वीकार कर ली है। He has accepted his mistake. He has accepted his mistake. आपने अपनी योजना बनाई है। You have made your plan. You have made your plan. क्या तुम ये किताब पढ़ चुके हो? Have you read this book? Have you read this book? मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ। I have taken the breakfast. I have taken the breakfast. उसने मुझे जानकारी दी है। He has given the information. He has given the information. क्या तुमने उसकी मदद की है? Have you helped him? Have you helped him? क्या तुमने पौधों को पानी दे दिया है? Have you watered the plants? Have you watered the plants? हमने पहले ही ट्रेन पकड़ ली है। We have already caught the train. We have already caught the train. क्या वह आ चुकी है? Has she come? Has she come? तुमने कितना दूध पिया है? How much milk have you drunk? How much milk have you drunk? मेहमान जा चुके हैं। The guests have gone. The guests have gone. उसने ठंडा पानी पी लिया है। He has drunk the cold water. He has drunk the cold water. मैं नहा चुका हूँ। I have taken a bath. I have taken a bath. वह अपने दांत साफ कर चुकी है। She has brushed her teeth. She has brushed her teeth. तुमने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया है। You have closed the door. You have closed the door. उन्होंने खाना खा लिया है। They have taken the food. They have taken the food. मैं चाय बना चुका हूँ। I have prepared tea. I have prepared tea. उसने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया है। She has closed the door. She has closed the door. मैंने सवाल हल नहीं किया है। I have not solved the question. I have not solved the question. उसने दूध नहीं पिया है। She has not drunk milk. She has not drunk milk. क्या वह आ गई है? Has she come? Has she come? उसने बिल नहीं चुकाया है। He has not paid the bill. He has not paid the bill. हम उसे माफ कर चुके हैं। We have forgiven him. We have forgiven him. उसने सच बताया है। He has spoken the truth. He has spoken the truth. क्या वह नए कपड़े खरीद चुकी है? Has she bought the new clothes? Has she bought the new clothes? वे कहाँ गए हैं? Where have they gone? Where have they gone? क्या वह सो गया है? Has he slept? Has he slept? मरीज दवा ले चुका है। The patient has taken the medicine. The patient has taken the medicine. पिताजी अखबार पढ़ चुके हैं। The father has read the newspaper. The father has read the newspaper. उसने आराम कर लिया है। He has taken rest. He has taken rest. हमने फर्श साफ नहीं किया है। We have not cleaned the floor. We have not cleaned the floor. क्या तुमने गैस बंद कर दी है? Have you turned off the gas? Have you turned off the gas? मैंने कमरा नहीं सजाया है। I have not decorated the room. I have not decorated the room. बारिश शुरू हो गई है। The rain has started. The rain has started. सूरज डूब चुका है। The sun has set. The sun has set. कौन आया है? Who has come? Who has come? वह कहाँ गया है? Where has he gone? Where has he gone? उसने कपड़े धो दिए हैं। He has washed the clothes. He has washed the clothes. तुमने सच स्वीकार लिया है। You have accepted the truth. You have accepted the truth. उन्होंने जिम्मेदारी ले ली है। They have taken the responsibility. They have taken the responsibility. मैंने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था। I had completed my work. I had completed my work. वह ये किताब पढ़ चुका था। He had read this book. He had read this book. हम ये फिल्म पहले ही देख चुके थे। We had already watched this movie. We had already watched this movie. मैंने नया फ़ोन खरीद लिया था। I had bought a new phone. I had bought a new phone. क्या उसने नए कपड़े खरीद लिए थे? Had he bought the new clothes? Had he bought the new clothes? वह वहाँ पहुँच चुका था। He had reached there. He had reached there. हमने खाना खा लिया था। We had eaten the food. We had eaten the food. तुमने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया था। You had not answered my question. You had not answered my question. मैंने अपनी रिपोर्ट भेजी थी। I had sent my report. I had sent my report. उसने अपनी गलती स्वीकार कर ली थी। He had accepted his mistake. He had accepted his mistake. आप अपनी योजना बना चुके थे। You had made your plan. You had made your plan. क्या तुम ये किताब पढ़ चुके थे? Had you read this book? Had you read this book? मैं नाश्ता कर चुका था। I had taken the breakfast. I had taken the breakfast. उसने मुझे जानकारी दी थी। He had given the information. He had given the information. क्या तुमने उसकी मदद की थी? Had you helped him? Had you helped him? क्या तुमने पौधों को पानी दे दिया था? Had you watered the plants? Had you watered the plants? हमने पहले ही ट्रेन पकड़ ली थी। We had already caught the train. We had already caught the train. क्या वह आ चुकी थी? Had she come? Had she come? तुमने कितना दूध पिया था? How much milk had you drunk? How much milk had you drunk? मेहमान जा चुके थे। The guest had gone. The guest had gone. उसने ठंडा पानी पी लिया था। He had drunk the cold water. He had drunk the cold water. मैं नहा चुका था। I had taken a bath. I had taken a bath. वह अपने दांत साफ कर चुकी थी। She had brushed her teeth. She had brushed her teeth. उसने दरवाज़ा बंद कर दिया था। She had closed the door. She had closed the door. उन्होंने खाना खा लिया था। They had taken the food. They had taken the food. मैं चाय बना चुका था। I had prepared tea. I had prepared tea. उसने दरवाज़ा खोल दिया था। She had opened the door. She had opened the door. मैंने सवाल हल नहीं किया था। I had not solved the question. I had not solved the question. उसने दूध नहीं पिया था। She had not drunk milk. She had not drunk milk. क्या वह आ चुकी थी? Had she come? Had she come? उसने बिल नहीं चुकाया था। He had not paid the bill. He had not paid the bill. हम उसे माफ़ कर चुके थे। We had forgiven him. We had forgiven him. उसने सच बता दिया था। He had spoken the truth. He had spoken the truth. क्या वह नए कपड़े खरीद चुकी थी? Had she bought the new clothes? Had she bought the new clothes? वे कहाँ चले गए थे? Where had they gone? Where had they gone? क्या वह सो गया था? Had he slept? Had he slept? मरीज दवा ले चुका था। The patient had taken the medicine. The patient had taken the medicine. पिताजी अखबार पढ़ चुके थे। The father had read the newspaper. The father had read the newspaper. उसने आराम कर लिया था। He had taken rest. He had taken rest. हमने फर्श साफ नहीं किया था। We had not cleaned the floor. We had not cleaned the floor. क्या तुमने गैस बंद कर दी थी? Had you turned off the gas? Had you turned off the gas? मैंने कमरा नहीं सजाया था। I had not decorated the room. I had not decorated the room. बारिश शुरू हो गई थी. The rain had started. The rain had started. सूरज डूब चुका था. The sun had set. The sun had set. कौन आया था? Who had come? Who had come? वह कहाँ चला गया था? Where had he gone? Where had he gone? उसने कपड़े धो दिए थे. He had washed the clothes. He had washed the clothes. तुमने सच स्वीकार कर लिया था. You had accepted the truth. You had accepted the truth. वह जिम्मेदारी ले चुके थे. They had taken the responsibility. They had taken the responsibility. बस छूट गई होगी. The bus will have left. The bus will have left. वह अब तक घर पहुंच गया होगा. He will have reached home by now. He will have reached home by now. उसने ये खबर सुनी होगी. He will have heard this news. He will have heard this news. वे घर आ चुके होंगे. They will have come home. They will have come home. वह स्कूल जा चुका होगा. He will have gone to school. He will have gone to school. वह वहाँ पहुँच चुका होगा. He will have reached there. He will have reached there. हम खाना खा चुके होंगे. We will have eaten the food. We will have eaten the food. वह स्कूल से आ चुका होगा. He will have come from school. He will have come from school. वह ये किताब पढ़ चुकी होगी. She will have read this book. She will have read this book. वह काम पूरा कर चुके होंगे. They will have completed the work. They will have completed the work. हम अपनी योजना बना चुके होंगे. We will have made our plan. We will have made our plan. क्या तुम ये किताब पढ़ चुके होगे? Will you have read this book? Will you have read this book? मैं नाश्ता कर चुका होऊंगा. I will have taken the breakfast. I will have taken the breakfast. मैं काम पूरा कर चुका होऊंगा. I will have completed the work. I will have completed the work. वह खाना पका चुकी होगी. She will have cooked the food. She will have cooked the food. शाम तक वे जा चुके होंगे. They will have gone by evening. They will have gone by evening. सूर्यास्त से पहले हम लौट चुके होंगे. We will have returned from sunset. We will have returned from sunset. क्या वह आ चुकी होगी? Will she have come? Will she have come? दोपहर तक मेहमान आ चुके होंगे. The guest will have come by noon. The guest will have come by noon. मैं ये किताब पढ़ चुका होऊंगा. I will have read this book. I will have read this book. तुम अपना कमरा साफ कर चुके होगे. You will have cleaned your room. You will have cleaned your room. मैं नहा चुका होऊंगा. I will have taken a bath. I will have taken a bath. वह अपने दांत साफ कर चुकी होगी. She will have brushed her teeth. She will have brushed her teeth. वह दरवाज़ा बंद कर चुकी होगी. She will have closed the door. She will have closed the door. वे खाना खा चुके होंगे. They will have taken the food. They will have taken the food. मैं चाय बना चुका होऊंगा. I will have prepared tea. I will have prepared tea. वे दरवाज़ा खोल चुका होगा. He will have opened the door. He will have opened the door. वे समय पर नहीं पहुंचे होंगे. They will not have reached on time. They will not have reached on time. वे स्कूल नहीं गया होगा. He will not have gone to school. He will not have gone to school. क्या वह आ चुकी होगी? Will she have come? Will she have come? उसने बिल नहीं चुकाया होगा. He will not have paid the bill. He will not have paid the bill. क्या वह काम पूरा कर चुकी होगी? Will she have completed the work? Will she have completed the work? उसने सच बता दिया होगा. He will have spoken the truth. He will have spoken the truth. क्या वह नए कपड़े खरीद चुकी होगी? Will she have bought the new clothes? Will she have bought the new clothes? वे कहाँ चले गए होंगे? Where will they have gone? Where will they have gone? क्या वह सो गया होगा? Will he have slept? Will he have slept? मरीज दवा ले चुका होगा. The patient will have taken the medicine. The patient will have taken the medicine. पिताजी अखबार पढ़ चुके होंगे. The father will have read the newspaper. The father will have read the newspaper. क्या वह आराम कर चुका होगा? Will he have taken rest? Will he have taken rest? हमने फर्श साफ नहीं किया होगा. We will not have cleaned the floor. We will not have cleaned the floor. क्या उसने गैस बंद कर दी होगी? Will he have turned off the gas? Will he have turned off the gas? मैंने कमरा नहीं सजाया होगा. I will not have decorated the room. I will not have decorated the room. बारिश शुरू हो चुकी होगी. The rain will have started. The rain will have started. सूरज डूब चुका होगा. The sun will have set. The sun will have set. कौन आया होगा? Who will have come? Who will have come? वे कहाँ चला गया होगा? Where will he have gone? Where will he have gone? उसने कपड़े धो दिए होंगे. He will have washed the clothes. He will have washed the clothes. तुमने सच स्वीकार कर लिया होगा. You will have accepted the truth. You will have accepted the truth. वे जिम्मेदारी ले चुके होंगे. They will have taken the responsibility. They will have taken the responsibility. आई होप आपको ये क्लास पसंद आई होगी. तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें.